you have an entrance slip posted on Google Classroom? Would anyone like to share their answer with me? What's yours?
A complete circle path that electricity goes through.
Good job. By the end of this lesson, we'll be able to describe what an electric circuit is, which you guys did really good on that, and name components of a circuit, explain what happens in an electrical circuit, and differentiate types of circuits. What is an electrical circuit? It is a complete path electric current flows through. Types of electrical circuits. So a series circuit provides one path for the current of electricity to flow through. If one component fails in the circuit, the entire circuit stops working. So everything has to work together to make the whole thing work. For parallel circuits, they provide multiple paths for the current of electricity. Based on that, tell me which one is parallel and which one is a series circuit. Good job. How does a circuit work? Energy comes out of the power source, usually batteries, and it travels along conductors, which are your wires, and it goes through a receiver, which is sometimes a light, and then returns to the source. So that's your constant loop that it goes in. If the circuit is open, electricity cannot flow through the circuit. And if the circuit is closed, electricity can flow through the circuit. Conductors and insulators. Conductors allow electricity to flow. So some examples are silver spoon or copper wire. And insulators resist the flow of electricity, so it cannot flow through it. And some examples of that is diamond, rubber tires, and rubber balloons. Can you think of two more examples of insulating materials besides the ones we previously talked about? Yes, wood. Wood, yeah, that is one. Anyone else have one? Wood.
Concrete.
Concrete, yeah. Electric circuits play a crucial role in our daily lives. So your phones, they're charged because of circuits. We're going to do this Venn diagram. We're going to compare and contrast series and parallel circuits. So you'll have about 3 minutes to do that by yourself, and then we're going to talk with our groups. Make sure you use your notes for this, guys. It'll help. Go ahead and share with your partners. Does anyone want to tell me the things they put for series?
Has one path.
Yeah, it does. Okay. So what about parallel? How many paths does it have? What did you say for them both?
They both have.
Good, that's good. Something else you could have said for that was that they all use the power source and conductors, like the wires, and most of them have lights in them. So the receivers, they all have those parts in them. Good job, guys. Which one is a series circuit? Good. That means project 6 is parallel circuit. So this side, you're using 2 lights in place of the fan, and then we're going to switch. So build project 5 first, and then have me come check it, raise your hands, and then you can start on project 6. And the same for you guys, just you're using the fan. classroom too. Does anyone want to share what they put?
If one component fails, all the other components still work on a parallel.
I want 3 people to tell me what they learned yesterday.
Yes. A circuit is a complete path electric current flows through.
What did you learn yesterday? Thank you. Anyone else? What?
Learned about parallel and series circuits.
Who's played bingo before? All of you. Use the list below to fill out your board, and you can only use each word once for each board. So we'll play 3 times. And once everyone's board is filled out, a sentence will be projected on the screen, and then once you get 4 in a row, you'll yell bingo. As you get done, you can go get a colored pencil or a crayon from these boxes over here. So when you get an answer, you'll circle it with the colors. Go. Bingo. The flow of energy is called what? Current. This provides one path for electric current. This is a power source.
Battery.
So your papers may look different than the one next to you, and that's completely fine. So today, you guys are going to be the parts of the circuits. So it's kind of what we did yesterday, but using your own bodies. He needs 2 conductors beside him.
Here. And then 3 receivers and an extra conductor.
Actually, a conductor can go in between the receivers because that energy still flows. Yeah, that's it. There's your circuit. So, what's a circuit?
A complete electrical path.
Yeah.
Jesse, your circuit you should know.
Parallel.
It has
There's multiple.
Yeah. What about a series?
has
One.
one.
What's an example of a conductor? Anything else? Silver string. Okay. Insulators. Rubber tire.